In this tutorial, we're going to go over how you can use the Reconfigure network feature for your RackNerd VPS. Why might you need to use this feature? This feature is especially useful after any IP changes, or if you have to rewrite the network configuration file within your VPS. It basically writes the network configuration file freshly again for you and your VPS. It does not touch anything else, so don't worry, no data will be lost or modified during this entire process. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my screen and let's just get started. The first step is to log into the SolusVM panel located at nerdvm.racknerd.com. Please note that the login details to this are different from the RackNerd client area. If you don't know the credentials to log into SolusVM, go to your RackNerd client area, click on View Email Log, and then click on the KVM VPS login information email. From there, scroll down to the highlighted green section, and from there you will find your SolusVM panel details. If the username and password to log into your SolusVM don't work, you can request a password reset based on the username mentioned here. Once logged in, select the VPS in question by clicking on Manage next to it. Then scroll to around the middle of the page and you will see all the different buttons here. We want to click on Reconfigure Network, as you can see. After clicking on it, click on the blue Yes button and wait a few minutes. After you wait a few minutes, this process will be completed, and congratulations, you have successfully utilized the Reconfigure Network feature in SolusVM for your RackNerd VPS. By now, you should be able to access your VPS using the IP address mentioned here. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video on how to reconfigure network on your RackNerd VPS using the SolusVM panel to be helpful. If you have any questions, or if you're still having trouble with your VPS not being accessible, please feel free to open a support ticket with us. Our 24/7 support team is available to help.